Hey, have you ever wondered to yourself how you can use artificial intelligence with Yahoo search? Or if it's even possibly? In this video, I'm going to discuss how you can use Yahoo search, their artificial intelligence feature, and it is possibly, at the beginning. Later on, I'll go into more details about Scout. It's called Yahoo Scout. So what you want to do is, this is just a news release, and I'll cover this after I show you how to use Yahoo Scout. You browse to that uniform resource locator that is highlighted on screen, scout.yahoo.com. Type that into your address bar in your web browser. Now, Scout is available both on their web-based interface and their two dumb device applications, smartphone applications, the Apple iPhone and the Google Android. So then you'll see this page in the web-based. I don't use Yahoo, application, so I'm not going to demonstrate that, but you may see a similar screen. Now, it also shows you that you can sign in. If you sign into your Yahoo account, it will save your conversations. You can even access your chatbot thread and other information. Now, really quickly, Yahoo Scout uses Anthropic Cloud chatbot, search bot. All right? It's artificial intelligence generated. It will give you quick summaries and other information. Then you would just click on Try Now, and then it will present you with the Scout input box. Ask Yahoo Scout, all right? Yeah, that's a current controversy, but I'm just going to type in, how about, what are artificial intelligence overviews? That's all you have to do, is just use it like a normal search. And then click your enter key. And then, yeah, there was a little bit of delay, but that's not too bad. All right. Now, it does provide sources, and it gives out information. Artificial intelligence, blah, blah. But, does it mention anything about overviews? What else? All right, that's all you have to do. It's real basic. You can ask a follow-up question. Remember, it uses Anthropic Cloud. So if you've been using Anthropic Cloud, then I haven't used it that much, but it may or may not be the exact same input. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this just went on and on and on. Okay, how about, this is just arbitrary. I don't get political. What caused the recent TikTok outage? Yeah, they claim that they had a power outage. Okay, it says it's brainstorming, and then that's pretty quick, a second or two, and it output a bunch of information. Yeah, it mentions a widespread outage. All right, so that's all you have to do, really. Now remember, if you sign in with your Yahoo account, you may get access to your saved conversation. I don't know. I didn't look into that. Hopefully you can delete your conversations. I'm assuming you can, but I actually do not know that for 100% certainty. You can access thread history and other information. All right. And then the same thing on the smartphone application. You would open up the Yahoo application, and you may get presented with a continue button or whatnot, and then you just use it like a normal search, like Google or DuckDuckGo or Bing or Start Page. Now, another point of contention is that Yahoo Search uses Microsoft Bing. They used to, back in the day, I believe, have their own search. Yeah, Yahoo's been around Yahoo is one of the original search engines, actually. But more specifically, succinctly, currently, they are affiliated with Microsoft, and I believe they use Bing for their search. But this is the cloud search bot, and whatever cloud uses. I believe cloud would be similar to Chat Generative Pre-Trained Transformer, that would actually have search capability. It can connect to the internet, and it's going to scrape data, and then it's going to get output overviews. All right, now this is more information about this. I have about 3 minutes. This is just their announcement. And oh, it's in beta too. I forgot to tell you that. It's in beta. Now, when you browse to just the yahoo.com, it's not readily available yet. This is under beta. I'm assuming that in the future they will integrate it. To me, it is not if, but when. But for now, it's in beta. Now, in the smartphone application, actually, I think there might, yeah, they show an example here. If you scroll down, I believe they show an example. I think they do. Yes, right here. I believe in the smartphone application, they'll have Ask AI, which is artificial intelligence, which is Scout, and or you click on search, and that's the old school search. Eventually, I think they'll integrate even Start Page. Start Page, that's another search engine that actually is affiliated with another company. They now, when you type in searches at the very top, it uses artificial intelligence, and then it releases overviews. So all these searches, DuckDuckGo, they're all probably eventually going to integrate artificial intelligence. And there could be a time in the future where you may not even be able to avoid the artificial intelligence search capabilities, which would be the overviews. All right, so that's an example. And then now, I think for now, it's in beta, but they mentioned that they're going to integrate Scout with the Yahoo News, Yahoo Finance, and something else. Here, I could even look that up. It says here, Yahoo also launched the Scout intelligence technology across Mail, Yahoo News, Yahoo Finance, Sports, and other categories. Now, for now, I don't think it's fully integrated yet. It just says that the platform, you may have, for now, you may have to just click on the AI button, and then, or you just click on search. But in the future, I think they might, they're just going to be like everybody else. They're going to incorporate it, and you may not be able to opt out, so to speak. Well, Gmail, yeah, Google with Gmail now has artificial intelligence. That's the 8-minute mark. That's my timer going off. Really quickly. Yeah, Gmail, you can opt out, but it is a pain. Plus, it disables all, which could be by design. So that is basically it. Scout.yahoo.com. You can find this article at yahooincorporated.com. The uniform resource locator is highlighted on screen. Type that into the address bar of your web browser, or you could just type in Yahoo Scout, and you should find this article. They go into more details. It's the cloud bot, and there's examples here, and Yahoo Shopping also is going to use Scout, will be integrated or be available, and etc. Adios!